The easiest way to find documentation is to search for it. Looking through the CSS for Bootstrap, we can find documentation around containers, the grid system, which you'll be using later, different media queries that Bootstrap uses to ensure that your site looks good on whatever size screen it's opened on, and it even gives you different options for types of columns. Let's take a look at these predefined classes. I want you to check out the documentation for the predefined classes. When you're done, you should be able to answer the following questions and apply the correct classes to your HTML. Which classes should you use to wrap the first row of portfolio items? The first row would be like this, following the blue box around Apify and Sunflower. And which class would you use to wrap one featured portfolio item, like simply just Apify? Type your answers in here.